Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to restore MI browser settings to their defaults if your MI browser is behaving unexpectedly or you just want to start fresh. First, unlock your phone and open the MI browser. Next, look toward the bottom right side and tap on the profile icon. Then, observe the top right corner where you will find the settings icon. Tap it to open the full list of options. After that, scroll down through the settings menu until you find the option labeled Restore to Defaults. Once you find it, tap on Restore to Defaults, and a confirmation message will appear on your screen. Finally, click on OK to confirm the reset, and the MI browser will revert to its original default settings. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.